Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making Spam Breakfast Fajitas. What you're going to need is 1 can of Spam, 14-ounce bag of peppers and onion mix. And this is a fajita cut, and I like mushrooms, so I got a can of mushrooms. You can leave the mushrooms out if you don't like mushrooms, but I like to put mushrooms in mine. And need 8 eggs, and of course the tortilla is for your thing afterwards. So this is going to be really good, guys, so let's get this going and enjoy it. So here we go. Okay guys, to get this started, we're going to spray down our frying pan, and we're going to put in the peppers and onions. Oh, those onions are big today. Well, we're going to get those going. Well, the peppers and onions are being cooked. Okay, guys. Keep these onions down this bit. Now, while that's being cooked, we're going to need to chop up the Spam here. So, and you're going to watch the vegetables, make sure that the onions are translucent and the peppers get tender. So, we're going to get it this way, get a good chop on these here. Don't have to be perfect, just trying to get it both about the same size, I guess. Okay. Let me get myself a bowl here. So I don't want to put the Spam in quite yet. So get that chopped up here, and just give a good stir on the thing here. Okay guys, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to finish chopping this up, and I'll see you guys here in a minute as soon as I get this up here. Okay guys, as you see, I got the Spam all cut up here, and we'll put that in just a little bit. But first we're going to put in the mushrooms now and get them good and stirred up. That's good and stirred in there. And now we're gonna put in our Spam and get it good mixed in. There we go. Mixed in, get it a little toasted. Okay, so now that the heat up through, we're going to put the top on that for a second. Set that over here. And all we're going to do with the eggs here is take our 8 eggs. I'm just going to break them open here. Drop the egg. Alright. So alright. See these? We want some hands real quick with that. Alright, we'll get this out of my way, and we'll just beat the eggs, get it all good and beat here. And let's put a little bit of salt and pepper in here. Alright, we'll open this up here. Let this cook for just a little bit longer here. Just get the Spam brown. The onions are almost done too. Alright, well, I'm going to let this cook for a little bit, and I'll see you guys here in a minute or two. Alright guys, this is cooked. It looks nice and brown. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take the eggs here, and we're just going to pour it in here and let it cook. Give it a good scramble here. Give it a good mix in here. Let's just take a few minutes to do this part. Kind of let it spread out, cook a little bit. Okay. A minute on that side, and then we'll flip it. Alright, now, hey guys, let's let just a little bit here. It is almost done here. So all I'm going to do, while that's finishing up, go ahead and get our tortillas. Put them on a plate here. Well, probably should have warmed these up, but I can do that real quick over here. Just move this off to the side now that it's done. Alright. We'll just let these cook on the thing just a few seconds. Flip. A few seconds there. Flip again. Alright, now this is really easy here. Alright, so we got 2 of these. I'll just go ahead and shoot it if you like. You can just go ahead and just dump it right on the tortillas if you want. And or you can just dump it on the plate. So alright, so there we go. A little tortilla or taco. I'll just put a little bit more in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and kind of wrap this up here. Like so. And give it a good taste test. Now you can put cheese or cream cheese if you want on this as well. So here we go. These are good. Enjoy making these. Well, again, this is Spam Breakfast Fajitas. So real easy to make, and hope you guys try it and enjoy it. If you if you try it, leave a comment below. Tell me how you like it. And well, guys, if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to release one on Saturday. I also do taste test and sightseeing and adventure videos as well. Well, guys, you enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video.